Whether you're looking for a new set of hammer and dollies to get you started on your metal shaving adventures, or you're looking to replenish your toolbox to replace those old worn out hammers, you need to check out the Covell signature line of hammer and dollies. These hammer and dollies were specifically picked out by Ron Covell himself to represent what he likes most about a good hammer and dolly set. So everything from the little bit thicker octagon shaped handle that allows you a good firm grip while still maintaining a good balance in the hammer, to the different faces and picks that are on each one of the hammers. So with these hammer and dollies, they come as a 10-piece set, or you can buy them individually. So if you're interested in these hammer and dollies, give us a call or visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high performance tools for the fabricator.